view of the first cove that you see as you're walking into Combe Martin. Beautiful. The three amigos that I'm here with have walked up that great massive cliff there. And I'll zoom in, I don't know whether you'll be able to see them, but they're sat on a bench virtually at the top of there. There's a tree that's diagonal just to the right of that. So they've actually made it. Russ, Muzzy and Deck. I think that's out of focus, I'm not sure, I ain't got my glasses on, so... But yeah, well done boys, made it. Path round here now, on the beach. I'm just going to walk along this path to see where it takes you. Kind of takes you out to the sea, but you don't know what you get when you get to end. Totally clear rock pools. The water's clear as a bell. I don't know why that's coming out on film, but beautiful. The path that I'm walking on goes right around the back of these rocks that you'd never see from the beach, and there's like little caves and rock pools, and it's just beautiful. Look at the rock formation on that. Stunning. Come to the end of that path. I spotted this little hole up here cut into these cliffs, and it's actually a bit of a cave. I don't know whether this is going to be in flight if I walk into this cave. It goes quite a distance back. I'm echoing actually, I don't know whether you can see anything. All I'm doing is just filming blind, but it must be a good 30-40 foot deep. It is going on. No, it's just too dark, you can't see anything, can you? But God, it goes even deeper and smaller. I dare go any more further. You can't see anything. If I turn in the way, you can see the entrance. So you can roughly see how far that is. I've just actually got some little wet drips dripped on me, so there's a bit of moisture in here. But yeah, it's got to be well, at least 40, if not 50 foot long. I don't know how it got here. Whether it's man-made or, well, I would think it is. But yeah, bit of exploration for you. Combe Martin Cave.
Alright, microwave rating, it should say on here somewhere. Microwave power. One, microwave power, full power, and time is 8 to 9 minutes. I'll do it for 9. Recover and cook for a further 3 minutes.
Good God, look at that, he's having the old hot dog.
Here's the
There's
filming all
some there.
compartments.
Is there some scissors here?
No, there's no scissors. Right.
After you.
Here let me film. You covered 8 minutes at least.
Oh, that's it. Yeah, that's it.
And has this ever happened before? No. Just a one-off, yeah?
8 minutes.
It looks really quite swollen. Does it feel tight?
It's 8 minutes and screw again and 8. Flipping heck!
Master chef in action, you guys.
Come on, we are chefs.
Coming soon on ITV, Cook with Muzzy.
Yeah, Master Chef's got bugger all
I'll
over.
tell you what, that smells really great.
That'll be good, that.
That smells good, that Muzz.
Awesome. What a cook. Not only a breakfast cook, Master Chef.
No, that's it.
So easy. When you're a master of your own kitchen, it's just so easy.